Hey, let's quickly plug into the next part of the eye gestures. Here we go with, firstly, glance. Glance. Glance का मतलब है नजर डालना. To move your eyes quickly or hastily or to take a quick look. For example, the doctor glanced through the report of the patient. Next is peep. Peep. Peep का मतलब है झांकना. To look through a small opening or from a hidden or secret location so that others don't know you are looking. Okay? For example, they are peeping through the window to see what is happening on the street. Next is squeeze. Squeeze. Squeeze का मतलब है आंखें जोर से दबाना. To close the eyes very tightly. For instance, she squeezed her eyes shut when the dust entered into her eyes. Next is gawk. Yes, you have heard right. Gawk. Gawk and leer means one and the same. Gawk का मतलब है बुरी नजर से देखना. To stare in a stupid way. For example, the stranger was leering at her through the window. Oh, I didn't like the way he gawked at me. Moving ahead, next is peer. Peer. Peer का मतलब है सावधानी से देखना. To look searchingly or to observe for a longer period of time. It doesn't matter even if others know that you are there. For example, it was dark in the evening when I returned from the college on my bicycle and I had to peer with half eyes to stay on the road. Lastly, it's gaze. Gaze. Gaze का मतलब है टकटकी लगाकर प्यार से देखना. To look at someone or something with admiration. Normally, when you find someone very gorgeous, you just gaze. For instance, while dancing, they both were gazing at each other. Well, that's all here. Stay tuned for the next third part.